Welcome back to the channel. Got an unboxing video today of 5 $11 Chrono Toys mystery boxes. As always, if you like what you see, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. Alright, let's get going on these. Box number 1. Got a Luke Skywalker with Yoda. Can't really see. There's a little bit of crunchage in the window a little bit, but I'm trying to figure out how to get that squared away. It's not a bad one. Okay, box number 2. Another Star Wars one. This one is from The Mandalorian. It's the child with a cup. I've seen a couple different ones. That's the same one with the frog not too long ago. I thought that was kind of cool because he's eating a frog. Box number 3. Got it. Edward Scissorhands. Edward in dress clothes. It's a little black marker mark or something on there. I don't know if I can get that cleaned off or not. The box is crunched up a little bit, but not too bad. Box number 4. Got a Garu, probably how you pronounce it, from One Punch Man. I've never actually watched that show. Like, there's been once or twice where I've woken up and it was on TV and I changed it, but I'm sure somebody out there knows who it is. Just not this guy. Box number 4. Sorry, 5. Lost track of where I was at. Another Star Wars one from The Mandalorian, which I haven't watched. It's Cara Dune. It's kind of a cool looking pop. Let's go ahead and see what these are worth. Cara Dune's worth 16, so that's not bad at all. I want to say these boxes were $11 and then like $4 to ship them. Well, we're coming out a little bit ahead on that one. Let's look at One Punch Man. going for 14 right now. Isn't too bad. Can't complain on that. Edward Scissorhands, it's kind of beat up. Must be a fairly new one because it says there's insufficient data for it yet. So down the road, I'll eventually figure out what it's actually worth. Let's look up the Luke Skywalker with Yoda. It's worth a whopping $7. It's one thing about mystery boxes, like you're not always going to come out ahead by any means. Let's look up the last one, the Child with Cup. There again, $7. So not the best by any means, but at least got some variety in what I'm trying to sell, so that doesn't hurt anything at all. As always, I'll have a link to the eBay store down in the description. If there's anything on here that you've seen that you like to buy, it'll eventually end up on there. Thanks for guys watching. Bye.